Oh, there it is, my friends. It's a little crude, but you can see it. It actually works. We're recording ourselves. Kind of made it neat and fancy. You want to hold this, one of you? Okay, go ahead, hold that for a minute so I can show it off. So, as far as the way this mount works, it's just a regular GoPro mount setup with a piece of PVC pipe covered with a piece of styrene on the end that I epoxied in the plug-in with a 10 amp BEC. Hence the castle sticker. So you can pivot it around, Bugs. Yeah, look at that. But it helps keep the footage a lot more stable. That's from our old Blade 350 QX. So I took it off and mounted it on here and repurposed it. And then this will take, I can put a 2S LiPo, a 3S LiPo. The BEC in there is programmed at 5.1 volts. And I can hook it up on any of my current mounts down here that I've got on any of my remotes. So, I mean, it's got a little bit of weight out there, but it's actually not terrible as far as weight. So the reason for the rubber band holding the GoPro, just because the original mount for that, the rubber piece, broke years ago. So, but this is optional. I can take that off later. But it's not too bad. Kind of cool. What do you think, Bugs?
That's cool.
Not too bad, huh?
Sick.
Well, it's pretty cool.
So nice.
So I had to, oh yeah, and I put a power button up on the top there so I can flip it on and off.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah,
So cool.
kind of neat, huh? So that way I can turn it off if I need, or turn it back on and reposition the camera to wherever I need it. See?
That's nice.
So,
It's actually
and
really
that
nice.
way as we're driving and filming, we can be down just like that, getting a nice stable piece of footage. So no matter which way this kind of turns and bumps, we'll be getting that nice stable footage. So kind of excited, but real simple setup. Piece of Velcro.
That's the button.
Yeah. So it's a waterproof button. So we can just take it and switch it off and on. But still wouldn't play with it in the rain all that much because, you know, remotes and stuff aren't waterproof, but it is what it is. So kind of neat.
So this is waterproof, but not the remote.
Yeah, it is, but it's not so much, so, but it works.
So really
But I can run a 2S LiPo, a 3S, whatever, but I probably won't go much more than, you know, 2400 milliamp battery, just for the pure fact of it won't fit because of the size of the tube and stuff. So that way I can slide it up in there. So anyways, kind of neat, fun. But there you guys have it. Just been playing around with this a little bit. Kind of excited. Oh, you like the power button? Oh, okay.
That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. And it's really nice setup. How like you designed it.
Cool.
Well, so the battery can stay hold it in there,
Yep.
and it looks cool.
I know.
So it's not too bad. So there's some epoxy and stuff holding certain things, but a lot of couple screws mounting and holding stuff. You can see See if we can get that to focus. So that's mounted with a couple screws right there, and the tube's attached with a couple screws going straight through it on the other side. So, but anyways, that's that. Hopefully that gives you guys some ideas that you can repurpose stuff. Let's see if we can get that to focus a little bit. There we go. But that's the number for the actual gimbal mount that came off of the Blade 350 QX that we crashed multiple times and finally gave up on it after a couple of years, or a couple of years ago anyway. So thought, it's been sitting there, why not use it? So enjoy.